technical transfer is my full-time job, and Intermountain West joint venture is invested in this, and obviously this partnership with Imagine is all about technical transfer in many ways. Technical transfer is the process of transferring technical information to end users who influence land management. And so that could be folks on the ground that are actually maybe treating invasive annual grasses. In some cases, policy and decision makers too. When this is done effectively, it empowers local landowners or local land managers to have the tools and resources they need to integrate technical information like science, data, decision support tools, things like that, into their decision-making process in a way that makes them more effective, makes their life easier, maybe increases their confidence and their ability to tackle a difficult problem like invasive annual grasses. This is an important discipline because it really bridges, in particular, the science production world with the management world. And a lot of folks have recognized that sometimes there's a gap between those, and not everything that happens in the scientific community translates to an on-the-ground action. And so communications is part of overcoming this challenge, but tech transfer really goes beyond just communicating into, think about like experiential learning and training and workshops and things like that, of really equipping people with the skills they need to go do things. It's not just about head knowledge. It's about what do you need to actually integrate this information into your workflow. So folks that work in tech transfer, it's people like me and out of the joint venture world. University Extension has been doing this for a long time. It's not a new idea by any means, but it certainly doesn't get as much attention or as resources as other fields, and even relative to science and management. And my biased opinion is that investments in tech transfer, such as the invasive annual grass tech transfer partnership, have a disproportionate return on investment because it's just such an empowering activity and thing to engage in. So.